We've all seen movies and TV shows with robots. There are friendly robots, scary robots, robots that work, and robots that play. Many times, these robots are made to look and behave just like people. But most robots don't look like people at all, and they only move and perform actions that they are built and programmed to do. You see, robots are machines. People build robots to do different types of work. This work helps humans to do specific jobs. Imagine what it would be like if you had your own robot that could do your homework or do chores around the house. Having a robot would give you more time to do the things you like to do. Well, scientists and engineers feel the same way. That's why they make robots. Robots can do tasks or repetitive work that is difficult for humans to do. The field of science that studies, designs, and builds robots and other automated machines that can do work is called robotics. Robotics is very important. Today, robotics are used in the medical field to help doctors perform life-saving surgeries. Robots are used in automobile manufacturing to build cars, one step at a time. Robots are used in agriculture to help grow plants for food. Robots can move more quickly and precisely than people, and they can do the same action over and over again without even getting tired or bored. Lots of people have robots in their homes to help wash their clothes and clean their floors. A robot is any machine that does tasks with little or no help from a person. People also use robotics to do jobs that are too dangerous or risky for humans to do. Robots can work in hazardous places like outer space. That's why we send robots to other planets, to research, collect samples, and help us to learn more about them. Robotics are also used to help explore the dark, cold environment beneath the ocean. Robots are designed to move in many ways depending on their assigned tasks. A robot's movements are controlled by computer programming. Every robot needs power or an energy source to operate. Some robots even have sensors that pick up on what's going on around them. That helps them know when, where, and how to move. As you can see, robots can do many different jobs. But it doesn't matter if that job is very simple or extremely difficult. It takes the skills and knowledge of engineers, mathematicians, and computer scientists to design, build, and program robots and develop their power sources. Robotics is a fascinating branch of science. Are you interested in robotics? If so, you'll find lots of kits that let you design and build your own robot. Who knows? Maybe someday you'll create a robot that will change the world.